Welcome to Introduction to Library in Unisyn. On the bottom right corner of my screen, you will see the word library. That will open up to the library feature of Unisyn. In library, your company may have set up various folders and documents for you to review. These are natively uploaded into the Unisyn system and are not accessing other auxiliary systems that your company may provide. In this example, I am a frontline associate working for a restaurant, and I have various folders to access. I may have access to how to open and close the bar with an opening and closing checklist. I may have other instructions, for example, reviewing our new menu. Any document that your organization would like to add to the library may be found here. SOPs, job aids, training and onboarding documents, whatever they desire to give you access to. If it's in library, you can bet that it is probably important for your job. So dig in and take a look at the library to determine what your company has provided you to make your job as easy as possible. This concludes the Introduction to Library in Unisyn.